Nobody cares about your struggles until you win. And that is the hard truth that many people do not want to hear. But it is also the truth that will set you free if you understand it early. When you are going through hard times, when you are broke, when you are trying to build something from nothing, most people will be quiet. They will doubt you, and some will even laugh at you. But the moment you break through, the moment you succeed, suddenly everyone will remember your name. Everyone will want a photo with you, and everyone will say they believed in you from the beginning. Look at the story of David in the Bible when he was in the fields taking care of sheep. No one noticed him, but when he defeated Goliath, the whole nation began to sing his name. Look at well-known examples like Thomas Edison, who failed thousands of times before the light bulb, or J.K. Rowling, who was rejected by many publishers before Harry Potter became a global story. During their struggle, people ignored them, but after their win, the world celebrated them. That does not mean you should stop. It means you should keep working in silence because your struggle is not for public approval. Your struggle is for the preparation that will carry you when the win comes. Do not wait for people to clap for you. While you are still building, clap for yourself. Encourage yourself and stay consistent even when no one is watching. Because the same people who ignored your process will celebrate your results, and that is okay, as long as you do not give up before you get there. Thank you for watching this video. Kindly send stars if this message encouraged you. Leave a comment and tell me what you are building right now, and share the video link so it can encourage someone else who is in their silent season. For those who are willing, you can send donations to our EcoCash number listed below. We can also help you to grow your social media account or to get monetized. So if you are interested in our services, please WhatsApp us for more information and for prices. And for those who have questions or issues, you can leave them in the comments section or send us a message directly, and we will respond, or we can create a video for you while keeping you anonymous.